Have you ever wondered about the unique characteristics that make the aloe vera plant so special? This remarkable succulent is known for its fleshy leaves and soothing properties. Originating from arid landscapes, it thrives in conditions that replicate this natural habitat. Now that you understand the plant, let's talk about how to position it for optimal growth. Aloe vera loves the sun, but how much is too much? Aloe vera thrives under bright indirect light, with some occasional direct sunlight. Positioning it near a south or west-facing window can encourage optimal growth. With the perfect spot in place, it's time to learn about watering your aloe vera. Watering your aloe vera properly is crucial for its health. This succulent thrives when you strike the right balance between moisture and drainage. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering may leave your plant parched. Now, with watering down, let's move on to potting mix and repotting. The right potting mix and timely repotting can make a huge difference in your aloe vera's health. The ideal mix is well-draining and mimics the arid conditions aloes naturally thrive in. When your aloe outgrows its pot, it's time for a new home. With your plant comfortably potted, let's talk about trimming and maintenance. Maintaining a healthy aloe vera plant involves occasional pruning and dealing with overgrowth. Pruning not only keeps your aloe looking tidy, but also encourages healthier growth. Address overgrowth early to prevent your aloe from becoming unwieldy. With maintenance covered, we've arrived at the exciting part, harvesting aloe vera gel. The moment of truth, harvesting aloe vera gel for its various health and skincare benefits. Using a sharp, clean knife, carefully slice open a leaf, revealing the gel inside. Scoop it out and store in a cool place. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to caring for your aloe vera plant.